I don't know. I put on my pheromone, and it's been a month, and she just won't stand for me. I mean, all the other sows will. I'm perfect. Who wouldn't do this? I just don't understand. I thought she was the one.
Alright guys, homework time. No more TV.
Oh, but we want to know what happened.
Yeah, what's wrong with her? He's so cute.
Alright, let's go find out.
Yay!
Let's explore the reproductive hormone system of the sow.
Yay!
So why won't she stand for him?
She won't stand for him because she's not in heat. A sow will only let a boar mount her if she's in heat.
So what does in heat mean?
That's a good question. It means being an estrus, which is part of the estrus cycle. Let me show you. Here we are.
Wow.
Breeding. G&H. Go.
Oh, GnRH, have some FSH. More GnRH, LH, 2 for 1.
Yes, for me. Breeding again.
The follicle now moves to the uterus where it is fertilized. Gestation requires 114 days, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, after which the piglets are farrowed and suckling begins.
Suckling. Take this to the anterior.
Oh, more GnRH, have some LH and FSH.
Posterior.
Oxytocin!
Yes, for me. FSH, LH, no breeding. Lactational Anestrous rocks. But oxytocin is not for me. It goes to the mammary gland where milk letdown happens.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, thanks, Mom.
So I wonder what we missed.
I came on The Bachelor because AI wasn't doing it for me. But I guess I'm just not ready to wean my piglets yet.
Told you so, moms are always right. Now that you know about lactational anestrus, back to homework.
Okay, thanks, Mom.